from our side entrance, we go right into our kitchen. Let's put some light on the subject here. Okay, that's our kitchen. If anybody could remember, this is where the additions were, and that were just no good. We had to take it off. This area here is where you got into a different addition, and I just made a small little half bath. Over here, this is where the stairs went down to the basement, which was really not in a good spot. It's an old house, old basement. So I put a washer and dryer there. Full size too. Refrigerator, the rest of our kitchen, and our little nook there. That was a lot of work to fix that all up. It was sagging down, all that. And our nice floors throughout upstairs and downstairs. Our stairs from 1840 that I had to totally dismantle and rebuild with new railings, new risers, new treads. Got all that. This is our living room, which is actually the biggest room in the house. Over here, if you remember, I installed a LVL beam here to help level the upstairs floor out, which worked perfectly. There's our mini split. And we got a little, or actually quite a big storage under the stairs. So you turn a light on there. And yeah, so it's a nice size. You can take the door off if you like, whatever. All right, so anybody asking, so what are you gonna do with the house? All right, if you remember, there's two of them. Turn more lights on here. There's two houses. That's a smaller house in the back, and then the bigger house, 3-bedroom up here. Well, I put them on the market, and to my surprise, they sold within 4 hours at full price. Here's bedroom 1. Again, not the biggest room. All our floor continued here. Came out really, really super nice. Bedroom 2, and they all have closets, you know, with the door that I had to build because the house didn't come with closets, believe it or not. Strange enough. Our bathroom with full shower, bathtub, right? All that. And there I am, waving to you. Okay. In the last bedroom, which is the bigger, I think, bedroom of the 3 by square footage, not by actually length or width. And I put the smart thermostats in upstairs and downstairs. And look at that. So if you remember what it looked like, go back and look at those videos. I put a couple pictures up, but this took a long time. Most of all this work, besides hanging the sheetrock and taping, just too much for one person. I did all this by myself whenever I could, definitely on the weekends, and towards the end it was every day for months. And I finished it by myself. You know, all this, you know, when I needed an extra hand, I would call my son and he'd come give me a hand lifting things like that. And then you got the basement, so I put these basement stairs in. Believe it or not, from original, actually, you know what, I'll show you. These stairs were in here since 1840, which after doing some excavation, whoop, Jesus, it almost fell. Found that. So if you can look, here are the stairs. You see all brick, original 1840, right? But look in there. Those are the old stairs. Can you see that? It's all brick there. So that, but then I had some of the brick was deteriorating, so I had to get it down to something solid. Then I built it up with block. And then here we go. In the basement, you know. I mean, you take a quick look. It's an old house, you know, but is what it is. Just the amount of work that I did out here. This was a big deck. There was a well over there. Big stumps here. All this brickwork I had to rebuild and lift that up. And a big front porch we had on here that I took down because it was falling down. And I just built a little stoop there. Yeah, absolutely. It would have looked nice with the whole big covered front porch. But honestly, I didn't want to get involved in that. I just wanted to get this house done. And, you know, man, the porch is nice size, you know. The whole yard. Oh, there's the injector pump. You see that? That came on. And the whole front yard. Look at that. Front yard is a nice size. The backyard is just as big, if not bigger, and as nice. Oh, that's it. So what does this house sell for? A lot. Actually sold about almost 600,000 for both houses. So you don't need to ask, I told you. I'll give you a quick shot of that back house that we did a few years ago. Just like 2-3 years ago I finished that. That's that, and that's been being rented ever since. And I just gotta get my equipment out of here and clean this up a little bit. We're in contract, so we're just waiting for it to end. Show me the money, baby. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching. On to the next project.